So if your dog is having maybe some ear issues, this is a cleaning solution, all right? They give you the cotton swabs, all right? And these, I recommend you only to use them on the outside, not the inside, all right? Very, very sensitive. Now this thing comes with its dripper, if you guys can see that. And it's fully loaded. So right now we are gonna use it. Recommendation, get some napkins, you know, clean them up as much as you can. This is gonna help him. It's an ear cleaning solution. So we're gonna do that today. So which the way it works, and he's right now shaking. He is having issues with this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna figure out, see, has an ear infection. It's really bad. So what we wanna do is get this thing in here. Let me see if you guys can see just a little bit, not too much. And then you gotta, once you get it in there, you gotta itch it, help them out, all right? And then drip all the dirtiness, anything that's coming out. And I'm gonna show you how dirty, look at that. Yeah, stay here. Look at that. That's dirty. The other one too. Yeah. He feels comfortable. I like this flexibility of it. Very simple to use. I like the swabs, but I got some extra finger slips that I could just go in there and clean them. So I'm gonna save these for the other dog. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.